Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie, and today I am going to be showing you guys how I silk press my Texlaxed hairs. If you guys are interested in checking out me actually showing you how I Texlaxed my hair for the first time after being natural for 5 years, I will leave that video linked up here in the card so that you can check it out. But yeah, today I'm gonna show y'all how I silk press my hair, and I'm gonna show you all the products that I use, all of the tools that I use, and I'm just gonna take you through it step by step so you can see everything that I do to get my hair to this nice, silky, straight style. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, then make sure you keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that I did was washed my hair. I just detangled my hair while it was wet, and since I am newly relaxed Texlaxed, I have started incorporating the Aphogee Keratin green tea Reconstructor in my routine, and I spray this on my hair while it's damp. So this helps to strengthen your hair, it builds body, and it protects chemical services. So I just ordered this on Amazon, and this is a product that I used when I was previously relaxed Texlaxed, and I really love this. I feel like it helped to keep my hair strong, it helps to maintain the integrity of my hair, helps prevent breakage and all of the good things. So this is what the bottle looks like. And then I also went in with a new product that I just picked up from Sephora. I got the mini size. This is the Dream Coat Color Wow Supernatural Spray. It says it magically transforms texture. When I looked at the description on Sephora, it says that it also gives you like a glossy mirror-like shine. But enough talking. What I am going to do now is take these braids out, and to blow dry my hair, I am going to be using this blow dryer brush that I picked up from Amazon. I love this thing. I didn't know if this was going to work on my hair because it has like these plastic bristles, but it also has these brush bristles on the inside, and I was scared that it might pull my hair out. But y'all, this right here is the best freaking thing. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be using to blow dry my hair. If you guys are interested in checking this out, I'll link it down below. I got this from Amazon for like $20 or $30, like super cheap, but it's amazing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
And I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, they really had to talk inside. I'm in that 8 and then one of the different priority. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from history before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Hey. Self-control is never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a God. Where I'm from, exerted solar clean. You come from a city. Alright, so this is my hair all blow dried, and I am just about to go ahead and pin it up so that we can leave it for 24 hours. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it up until tomorrow when I'm ready to flat iron it. I'm not gonna put any additional products in it because, like I said, I don't like to go overboard with the products when I am flat ironing my hair, just because I don't want like that extra residue in my hair just weighing it down. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pin my hair up, and then I will see you guys tomorrow for the flat iron. All right, you guys, it is the next day, and I am about to flat iron my hair. I just have my hair pinned up in these two little buns that I'm gonna go ahead and take out. And the only tools that I'm using today is a rat tail comb, and I'm using that to chase behind my flat iron. The flat iron I'm using is this Aphogee heat one, and get into it. I'm not gonna put any additional heat protectant spray on it because everything that I put on there yesterday before I blow dried was heat protectant spray. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and comb through it.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is like pull at the root of my hair to like make sure it's pulled as straight as I can. And then I'm just gonna take my flat iron and get it as close to my roots as I can and go over it once, slowly, and then go over it one more time. And as you can see, I'm not bringing my flat iron all the way down. I'm just making sure I get the roots straight. And then I'm gonna take my rat tail comb underneath, right at the roots. And then I'm gonna take my flat iron right behind it and pull them together. And that's only one pass, and as you can see, my hair is very straight. So I only need to do one pass each time, which is good because I am gonna go over my hair and put some curls in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair and you guys can follow along.
Yeah, I find what I get and what you need. I know what you like. I really call me. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one.
All right, y'all, I am done. Y'all can see I've got, I don't know what I did to make this have so many flyaways right here. Usually it's not like that right after I flat iron my hair. It only happens like if I wrap my hair, but today it's just doing what it wants to do. And do y'all see all these gray hairs? Oh my God. Like, y'all can't even really see how many there are. Like, there are a bunch of gray hairs up here in my roots, but none of some black hair that I can't take care of. I am content with how it turned out. The only thing is, I don't know if y'all remember, but in the beginning I told you guys it felt like I did have like a little bit of some type of residue on my hair, and there is, because like my hair is not as bouncy as it usually is after I silk press it, and that's because I have some type of like oily residue left on my hair. Now I don't know if it's from this product, that Color Wow Dream Coat spray. I don't know if it's this. I almost feel like it's not. I feel like it's my deep conditioner, because I used a pretty heavy deep conditioner. It wasn't that heavy. It's nothing that I haven't used before, but I don't think that I rinsed it all out, because I was rinsing it out in the shower and the water was starting to get cold. So I was just like trying to hurry up and get it out so that I can get out of the cold shower. But I think that's what it is. I am going to go over my roots in the front a little bit, just with a smaller flat iron, like a pencil flat iron, but for now they're fine. So yeah, this is how it turned out. I feel like my hair looks pretty good. I can use a trim. I can definitely say that. I have been trimming my hair myself like every few times that I straighten it, just so I can see what needs to be cut. And I cut a big chunk on this side the last time I washed and straightened my hair, and it's under here somewhere. It's fine. I mean, for now it looks pretty good. It looks pretty healthy, but yeah, I could definitely use a trim, and I'll go to the salon and get that taken care of maybe in like a month or so. Yeah, that's it. If you guys have any questions or comments, as always, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment box, and as always, I'll get back with you guys. And everything that I used today on my hair, as far as like the tools, the products, and everything, will be listed down below in the description box if you guys are interested in picking any of these up. These are all of the products outside of the new thing that I told you about, this Color Dream Coat. These are all things that I always use, like every single time that I straighten my hair. So these aren't products that I'm just trying. These are the products that I love and that work for me every single time I straighten my hair. So yeah, that's it for today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, whether you are relaxed, whether you are natural, Texlaxed, color treated hair. This is how I go about silk pressing my hair. This is how I silk pressed it when it was natural, when it was color treated, when it was Texlaxed and relaxed before, and now I'm back to Texlaxed again. And this way always works for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this type of content, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and have your post notifications turned on. And also make sure you guys are following me over on Instagram. I will leave my link to follow me on Instagram down below, as well as right here on the screen for you guys. Make sure you are following me there. I will see you guys next time. Bye.